Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in sunny Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. This is the 4x4 vehicle that you can take anywhere you want. It's got front tow hooks to help pull you out, and it's got a tow hook in the back. 17-inch black wheel, Mango Tango is the color. It does have the touch on the door handle, automatic headlights. You do have automatic driver's seat with 4-way lumbar, Bluetooth voice recognition, cruise control. This vehicle only has 56,655 miles on it. It does have navigation, backup camera, AM/FM satellite radio. It is an automatic, and here's all your four-wheel drive stuff. Lots of storage inside this vehicle. It's got nice black leather with red stitching. It does have Trailhawk monogrammed in the seats. Lots of room in the back, 5-passenger vehicle. These seats do lay down to give you extra room in the back. So you've got lots of room for storage. You have roof racks on top so you can carry them kayaks right along with you. If you'd like more information on this beautiful vehicle, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. Don't wait, it'll be gone.